What's up, everybody? My name is Joe Hernandez from San Diego, California, Mas Pas Leather. Today I'm showing you a few of the BeaverCraft wood carving tools that I have. They're a great tool. I've only been doing wood carving for just a little while now, but it's super contagious. I love doing it. Whenever I get a chance to sit down, I'm right there whittling on some wood. Before I share some of the tools, let me go ahead and show you some of the artwork that I do. So I bought two sets from BeaverCraft. One was for like carving spoons that had a few chisels, and the other one was a knife kit. They come with these canvas rollout bags, which are really nice, really durable. They usually have band-aids and all that good stuff. Me being a leather person, I had to make my own sheath for some of my knives. This one's more for the roughing out. And you can see their beautiful knives have their name etched on there. Nice lightweight, and they're sharp right out the box, so you can carve right away. It's really important when you're trying to get into something like this wood carving that the tools are sharp and they do what they're supposed to, otherwise it might turn you off from wanting to try it. This is the rollout case that I made for my tools. Each one it's great, super sharp. I got my band-aids, strop, pencil, ready to go. I just recently got this draw knife from them that I can't wait to use. This is the first time I take it out of the box, and right away you can see they used real leather on the part that covers the razor or the blade. Beautiful, super lightweight. Can't wait to use it. Very sharp, very sharp. Can't wait to get to making some spoons or something of that sort. Like I said, it's all for fun. I really enjoy working with these tools. So if you're looking to get into wood carving, doing some wood spirits, which is what I started with, and I just thought it was so much fun making these quick little figures. You know, whenever I take my son out on a hike or something, we'll pick up pieces of wood and carve a little wizard in it, leave it there for somebody else to pick up and, you know, hopefully get inspired to want to try it. I will definitely recommend getting some BeaverCraft tools. Like I said, they're sharp, ready to cut. I'd especially like to see some more people on my side of town doing a little more wood carving. Check them out. Thanks again, BeaverCraft. Peace, y'all.